guys. So ngayon, dito na tayo sa Baguio. Ayan, dito tayo sa Soto Grande. Ang lamig guys. Ang lamig. Yan, tingnan nyo. Ipapakita ko sa inyo sa back cam. Ayan, makita nyo guys. Hindi ang blur ng camera. Fogs yan. Fogs yan guys. Hindi ang blur ng camera. Ito guys, pasok tayo. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, 18 degrees?
Grabe. Grabe yung kurog. Puta.
Huwag ka naman magmura, te. Baka di naman nagmumura dito. Nilalamig ka pa.
Shibal. Nilalamig ka pa dyan? Ikaw? Nilalamig ka pa dyan?
Outfit check!
Guys, dito tayo sa balcony. Guys,
Birthday girl.
oh, birthday girl.
Ang
taas guys. Baguio, here we go. Happy birthday. Birthday niya guys, dito kami sa Baguio naganda. May pool.
sige, Riz. Istingin. Dadadig ako.
Sabihin nyo year? Kasi baka sabihin nyo ang tanda ko na. Oo, wag na lang. But you know, I was able to really connect with the Davao people, no? With the Bisaya doon, with the people of Mindanao, and I fell in love as well with Mindanao, no? Siguro if I were to choose a city where I want to get retired, I would choose Davao City. Yan. Oo. Siyempre after Baguio. Ayan. Pero yeah, there's actually numerous reasons, no? Uuwi daw nantay doon. Oo. Sige. Baka mamaya katabi na ni Kuya. Oo. Kaya katabi nyo doon na nasa likod. Oo. But anyway, you know that's true. No. I think later on we will be going to that site where kung saan pinutol.
Alam ng lahat yung Newsep, erythromycin, tsaka loperamide, yung iniinom natin. Sige, dito tayo. Bayan na?
San Felipe.
Ang dami nila, partner, ha? Ayan, kumusta naman po kayo?
Walang tao.
Walang tao, dito tayo.
Ayan. Dito po tayo sa bahay.
Smart City Command Center. Ano yung Smart City Command Center? I'll share to you later. So these are some of our murals. Actually, when you go around Baguio City, marami kang makikita mga paints, di ba? Even when you go to SM, yung mga walls ko doon are painted with these kinds because we have lots of artists here, budding and professional. And in fact, we have two national artists, Kidlat Tahimik and Benedicto Cabrera. And of course, in the Cordilleras, we have a national heritage icon, and that is Apu Fangod or Apu Fangod. Okay? These are some of the samples of the symbology
Sakit na, bakit? Ito lang ba ito? Ganda ng painting.
Our dear Mayor, si Mayor Benjamin Magalong. When we go inside, actually, makikita niyo po yung buong command center with the telephones and computers na monitor po nila bawat galaw ng mga tao within the city. Because there are cameras all over the city. Pwede pa kayong mag-hi, diba? Nakikita pa kayo actually from above, diba? Diyan sa on top of SM City Baguio, isa sa yung pinakamalaki na radar or camera nila, which actually can see and overlook what's going around in the city. You can actually even look, I recognize faces, and makikita din niya yung mga plate numbers.
Ang advance.
And nag-monitor din natin yung air quality, diba? Even yung population, yung mga ganyan. So nag-monitor nila yan lahat dito sa loob ng Smart City Center. Although hindi pa Smart City ang buong Baguio City, but that is the goal of our mayor. In the future, we will become a smart city wherein everything will be monitored digitally.
Kapitbahay na.
I burned out like a wandering ember. I shone bright then my journey was over. What I sought when I ran was back where I was. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. We've opened the gate. Don't turn off the light. I'm coming home. Well, I scratched in the dirt for a while. I gained all that I
Kaya pa lang tayong mapatay sa Cebu, sir.
in the end. What I found was nowhere near as nice. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming
There's
home.
actually more. This is very significant and very important. And I'll tell you why.
We've opened the gate. Don't turn off the light. I'm coming
Tamam.
home. Though I fought with my claws and teeth,
Ay, shit. Ang
though
ganda.
I elbowed my way to a seat,
This marker actually symbolizes the first commission or the meeting or the first session of the commissioners when they came to Baguio City. When they were planning to make Baguio sa summer capital of the Philippines, dito actually nag-meeting yung mga governor, ay yung mga commissioners at that time when they were planning to make Baguio as a summer capital of the Philippines. Siyempre, this is the building where they had the first session. That's why ang tawag po doon sa street na yan is Session 1. That's the reason why. Kasi nga, first session was held here. That was April 22 to June 11, 1904, officially initiating the use of
there
Baguio
be
as a
no
summer
kind
capital
of
the
peace like you beside me. No matter the rain, no matter the storm, I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Leave open the gate. Don't turn off the light. I'm coming home. I'm coming home. Nothing's as it seems in the photo. Nothing is as sweet going so long. Nowhere I can ramble or roam. Could change my mind. Could slow my coming home. storm, I'm coming home. Oh, I'm coming home. Leave open the gate, don't turn off the light. I'm coming home. I'm coming home.
Guys, dito tayo sa Session Road. So, I'll take you around, I tour you around. Dito tayo sa Session Road. So, yan.
1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. No?
Walk
Isa pa.
with me.
Side view.
Let's leave the past
1,
behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Me and you.
Renz and Lexi has been here. Kahit wala si Madam. Kahit wala si Lexi. We've been at Session Road. Grabe ka, memorable.
It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light. I'll help you through the fight. Let's make footprints in the sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Me and you.
Yan guys, pupunta tayong Burnham Park. Why daw masyado Burnham Park, so kailangan natin bilisan. Yan guys, i-backcam ko lang. This is the Melvin Jones Center. Parang football arena. Here we are guys at the Burnham Park.
City, Baguio, because it should rule over the LGU, which is yun. Corrected by. And in between them should always be a major park. And that is now the representation of this Daniel Burnham Park. Kasi nga, ang mga employees daw, it's important for them to be restressed or be released from ang happy na rin eh. No, no, ma'am, na ano ko naman. Pagkanda ko na kaya ko na siya, pinawag talaga yung for the rest of the Baguio. Hindi ang Baguio yung mga Amerikano at that time. It's not, parang maganda na existence siya. Nagpa-survey lang si General Blanco, nakita niya yung potential ng Baguio becoming a summer capital. Kaso too late na kasi nag-break out na yung war, no? Yeah, and then na-take over na tayo ng mga Amerikano. And then itong si Dean Wooster, tawag niya Dean Wooster, zoologist siya actually in Mindoro, he's from the United States, no? Na-chismis lang ba niya from the Spaniards? Sabi ko, nag-chismisan ng mga Spaniards. Uy, may malamig na lugar dito sa place na to, ganyan-ganyan. And then sabi niya, saan yan? Sabi niya. And then, dito sa Baguio, malapit sa Sola Trinidad, blah blah blah. Tapos, magkukumot ka pa talaga ganong kalamig. Ngayon, sa sobrang na-interest ko, nagkukumot ka pa. Yes. So, 1900s, diba pumunta dito sila? 1901, ang una-una nilang dinevelop is ang Cannon Road.
Sabog ka mo guys. Picturean.
Natalo na sa Supreme Court. Okay, so ngayon, ang nagmamanage na ngayon is Jamie Management Corporation. Pero under the umbrella ng BCA, which is a government.
CDN may tag-iya, klaro kayo dyan ba?
So guys, nandito tayo sa mansion. Mansion ni Gago. Mansion sa Baguio guys. Hindi natin na-video sa kanina sa anong tawag doon? Camp J. Janhay kasi bawal. So dito na tayo mag-video sa dito tayo mag-video sa mansion. So guys, nandito tayo sa mansion. Bawal kasi magpasok. Yan guys, ang mansion. Kanina ka ng mansion to, ma'am? Kay William Forbes.
Because he is actually from a rich family in Chicago. Diba? Tapos, ginawa yung house na yan or named after the house or the mansion of Cameron Forbes. It was built in 1908. Okay? And this one, it has a beautiful story. Bakit? Sino na again ang ultimate architect ng Baguio City?
Daniel Burnham.
He actually designed this one with a yan. Talagang dinisign.
Ay, parang sa Washington, ma'am.
Park na to.
Parang sa Washington.
Daniel Burnham with in front of the
statue.
Pool of Pines. And that is 100 meters actually. 100 meters.
Grabe kung kailan doon talaga naginto. Bastos. Hala. Hala, grabe. Hala, grabe.
Yan! Perfect! Position! Tama! Yaw mo ang position.
Big and 3, tapos hag.
Big and 3
my hand! Oh my God!
Agay, sakita sa lubot ay.
Walk with me. Let's leave the past behind. Walk with me. There's something else we need to find. Say you'll go, don't make me wait. There's no need to hesitate. Let's make footprints in sand. Let's make miracles. Come hold my hand. Let's find something new. Me and you. Is the sky like the color of your eyes? Blue is your heart. It's been like that from the start. Say you'll stay till the morning light.
And guys, nasa strawberry farm pala tayo. Wow. Yan, fortunately guys, sarado na sila. Sarado na ang strawberry farm. Ito yung aking farm. 780 ang kilo ng picking. 780 kilo picking strawberry. Pero unfortunately guys, sarado na sila. Bawal na. Galing na food ko. So guys, punta na tayo ng dinner sa SM MOA. Oh! Guys, sinik Makino. Hey. Yan guys, mag-check out muna tayo. Ay, check in muna tayo. Yan mga double cards. Hey. Si Ante, si Ante.
Dapat lagi dyan mo rin.
Si Ante. Ibigay ni sir.
Sige, ate.
Ay, ate pala ate. Sobra ng N. Yan si Alice Go. Hey. Mga wildlife. Mga wildlife.